Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn. In this tutorial, we will see how to design propeller like this. Please do subscribe and activate bell icon to get our latest updates. Okay, let's start our tutorial. So, we'll start with a new file. Click on File, then select New. Now select Part, then click on OK. Now select right plane and sketch. Now select line, draw a line vertically from origin, then horizontally, then exit. Now again select line, draw a line from origin horizontally like this. Now give dimensions for that. Select small dimensions. The length of this line is 350 millimeter. Make sure that we should select this millimeter, gram second, mmgs. Edit this again. Now select small dimensions. The length of this line is 200 millimeter. The height of this line is 80 millimeter. 80. Now select a tangent arc. This is our first point, then to here, then exit. Now we need to revolve this sketch about this line. So select the features, then select the revolved boss base. Here in axis of revolution, select this line. Then click on tick mark. Now select top line and sketch. Make the sketch as normal. Now select 3 points corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle like this and top line. No problem, we will give dimensions for that, then exit. Now select small dimensions. The length of this line is 235 millimeter. The width is 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. Now the distance between origin to this point horizontally 47 millimeter. The angle between this edge and this line is 74 degree. The distance from this edge to this point is 225 millimeter. This is 230. Now our sketch is fully defined. Then exit from sketch. Expand this reference geometry. Then select plane. Here we need to select top line. So select top line from command tree, and we need 360 millimeter away from top line like this. Then click on tick mark. Now make the plane one as normal, then sketch. Again select 3-point corner rectangle. This time draw a rectangle like this. Then exit. Now we will give dimensions for that. Select small dimensions. The length of this line is 400 millimeter. The width of this line is 12 millimeter. Angle between this edge and this line is 14 degrees. Height of the line from this edge to this point is 42 millimeter. Distance from origin to this point 190 millimeter. Then exit from small dimensions. Now our sketch is fully defined. So exit from sketch. Now we will make a loft for these two sketches. Go to features, then select a lofted boss base. So clear this. We need to give from sketch 1 to sketch 2 like this. Then click on tick mark. Now we will make a curve for this. So go to fillet, select this edge and this edge. Give value as a 130, then click on tick mark. You can observe how it was fillet, how the fillet is. Now go to again fillet. Now select this edge. Give value as a 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter is the radius of the fillet. Then click on tick mark. Again select fillet. Make a fillet here. On this side also. Fillet radius is 10 millimeter. Then click on tick mark. Now select this face and sketch. Make the sketch as normal. Now select circle. Draw circle from origin. Give dimensions for that. Diameter of the circle is 114 millimeter. Now we need to cut that part. So go to features, select extruded cut. Cut up to 210 millimeter. Then click on tick mark. Make sure that you should select this area. Now go to features, then expand this pattern. You can observe circular pattern, select it. Here in parameters you need to select this circle. In bodies, clear all, you need to select this. Expand the command tree, then select fillet file. Make sure that we need to revolve up to 360 degrees. We want 6 instances. Then come downside. You can observe geometry pattern. Make sure that you should enable this. Then click on tick mark. Okay friends, this is our propeller. Now we will change color for that. So go to edit appearance, select it. In color, just click on this color option, then select any color, whatever the color you want. You can add any color here. I will define some color. For example, I will give here, I will give this color, or else I will give this color. Then click on tick mark. Now you can observe that how the propeller is look like. Better to go like a steel like color. Like this we need to do propeller in SolidWorks. Like this we need to do propeller. Okay friends, thank you for watching. If you like it, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you all.